Want to protect important files on your computer with a cloud backup? Dropbox Backup can automatically back up selected folders from your PC to your Dropbox account. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up and check that your backup is working. Before starting, make sure the Dropbox desktop app is installed, your internet connection is active, and your Dropbox account has enough available storage. It's also a good idea to close files or applications that are currently using the folders you want to back up. Next, open the Dropbox icon from your Windows taskbar or Mac menu bar. Open your Profile menu, choose Preferences, and then select the Backups tab. From here, choose the option to manage or set up your backups. Under the Backup section, select the computer you want to protect and choose Let's Get Started. Dropbox will then show you folders that can be included in the backup. Take a moment to review these before continuing. Now select the folders you want Dropbox to back up. Depending on the version of Dropbox Backup you're using, you may be able to choose additional folders from your computer's home folder. Select only the folders containing files you actually want protected. After reviewing your selection, click Setup or the Available Backup button. Dropbox will begin uploading your files to the cloud. You can continue using your computer while the backup is running, although larger collections may take some time. To check your progress, open the Dropbox desktop menu and go to Backups. Select your computer backup and look at the current status. You may see progress information or a completed status when the backup is finished. Yeah, this is the easiest way to confirm everything is on track. You can also check your backed up files online. Sign in to Dropbox, open the Backup section, and select your PC. Your backup is separate from the normal Dropbox folder, so don't worry if you don't see these files inside your regular Dropbox folder. And that's how to back up your PC with Dropbox. Choose your important folders, start the backup, and regularly check its status. Just remember, Dropbox Backup creates a cloud copy while keeping the original files on your computer. So your important data has an extra layer of protection.